guys, Sandy from So Easy by Sandy here, and today we're making one of my top items for the Sandy on Etsy shop. I love all things chakras. You know, the colors are beautiful and the transition from color to color is a little bit magic in my opinion. Well, I have an order for a baby chakra blanket and I figured I would show you how I do it. And I'm actually doing this project in two videos. You know, the first is making the blanket and the second I'm adding the chakras to each section. And this is the first part, so here we go. So a chakra blanket is essentially made of 7 strips of fabric, each of a specific color in a specific order. Our top is complete, simple as they come, right? Okay, now we're adding the synthetic lamb's wool to the back and sewing the different strips to get them nice and stuck to the back. And that's done. Now when I do blankets with synthetic lamb's wool, I usually do a self-binding, but this time I'm doing something new, you know, for the very first time, which is to add a binding that is actually wider in the back than in the front. And then I will clip the heck out of it. Here we go. And our blanket is done. I'm loving the results so far. Can't wait to add the chakras to it. I'll see you for the next video. Bye bye.